Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can get a Gamepass link in Roblox. So the process is really simple. You just need to follow that guideline. So you just need to click over here to the create. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the creator hub. So from that place you can easily access of the game passes. So here you just need to come over here to the creations. Once you come over here, then you just need to select all of them, and once you click over here, then you will get the options of passes and places. Here you can see, so under the monetizations, you just need to be scroll down into the left side and you will find out that passes. So you just need to come over here and you can see we already have 3 passes. So if you want to create another one, you are able to create it in here. So the process is really simple to create and pass in here, but you can use this existing one also. So the process, I hope you understand. Now you can create your pass also. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.